In order to change screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. And then over here at the top, we have screen lock and biometrics. So you want to go over here. Of course, we want to enter our current password, press continue, and now we can choose the new, well, the new type that we want to use. Of course, you can still choose the same type as you had before, if you want to simply use a different password with the same type. So let's say I'm gonna choose PIN again, and now we can enter the new password that you wish to set. Press continue. If it's easy, then of course you will see this information that it is easy to guess, but we can use it anyway. Confirm your password by entering it again and press OK. And then we will see this information that new password has been set. Most of the time we have 72 hours that allow us to still use the old password in case we forget the new one. And then we can press OK. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.